Happy Valentine's Day! Does that look like a heart? Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I love this day. We celebrate it each year. It's so much fun just getting ready. You can go out or stay in and make some delicious food. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up a table, or if you want to do a picnic, it's really super cute. You can do a picnic at home. And I'm also going to show you guys how to make an appetizer, entree, and dessert. It's all super easy and it is so delicious. So let's get started. For the appetizer, it will be cucumber bites with shrimp and avocado. For the entree, the main course, it's going to be chicken Parmesan. And dessert, it'll be strawberry dipped in chocolate. That'll be it. You will need 1 pound of shrimp. I took the shells of the shrimp, except for 5 or 6 of them. 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, and this is how it looks like. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic crushed, half lemon juice. So all of this right here, this is for the shrimp. We're gonna mix that together pretty soon. Now for the avocado sauce, you need 1 avocado, 1 basil leaf, thinly sliced, this is really thin, guys, look how thin it is. Ooh. Thinly sliced red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, and the other half of lemon, and 1 cucumber. That's it. I'm going to add some olive oil and then add the shrimp. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes each side. All right, my shrimp is done. All right, guys, now let's put everything together. So take the cucumber and two or three, I'm gonna use two of the bell pepper. Some of the avocado. Take 1 of the shrimp. For the entree, we'll be making chicken Parmesan. For that, you will need thinly sliced chicken breast. You can buy the regular one and then you can just cut it yourself. All-purpose flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, mozzarella and Parmesan cheese, spaghetti, pasta sauce, oregano, salt, pepper, milk, garlic powder, basil, and parsley. So now let's prep everything. Put all the spices in. Whatever you do, don't touch the chicken just yet, because once you touch it, you have to wash your hands. So let's wait on that and let's just prep everything. So for the eggs, you just need like 1 tablespoon of milk. And with that, I'm going to add in a little bit of oregano, 1/4. And then I'm going to add in my salt and pepper. we're going to add the salt and pepper to our panko. Just very little. You don't need a lot of that in there. Salt, pepper. And then I'm gonna add some garlic powder as well. About 1 tablespoon of it. Just mix that up. And now to the flour. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper in here as well. And just give that a mix. The breadcrumbs that I got. One, I put panko breadcrumbs, and the other one, it's a herb seasoning. So there's 2 different breadcrumbs in here. And so you don't need to put so many things. But if you do just buy the regular panko breadcrumbs, do add a lot more of the garlic powder. All right, so now let's get started. Let's take the chicken, put it in the flour, and then put in the eggs. And last thing to do, put in the breadcrumbs. And cover that up really well. So I put my sauce in, and with that, I'm gonna add just a little bit of garlic powder. And give that a mix. My olive oil is ready. You want to hear the sizzle, so make sure the oil is heated enough. I'm gonna do 2 at a time. At this time, preheat the oven to 425. While I'm making the chicken, I have my water boiled and spaghetti in. I do put a little bit of olive oil in there and add a little salt as well. So let's cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes each side. That looks ready. Now let's flip it. Now I'm adding my parsley and basil into the sauce and just give that a mix. Now the chicken is ready. Ooh. I'm just adding very little bit and just spread it around. And then let's add our chicken. And then add it on top of the chicken. You don't need to put a whole lot. But if you are someone that really likes the sauce, then you can add more. And now we're going to add our cheese. Add the mozzarella cheese as much as you guys like. And now let's add the Parmesan cheese on top of that. Leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown. All right, so I saw this online. Take the spaghetti, twist it, and then just put it in there. Take the chicken, place it, put some parsley on top, and then add some sauce as much as you want. And that's it. All you need is strawberries. This is rinsed and I'm just letting this dry on a tissue paper. Now you need chocolate, milk chocolate, and you can get this at Walmart or Michael's. Just make sure you get any kind of milk chocolate. I got this as topping from Michael's. I really like pink, so I figured I'll use the pink one instead of white. You can get white ones as well. And I have my chocolate melting pot, parchment paper. I'm gonna put this after everything's done. I'm gonna put it on this and put it in the fridge. So let's get started. I'm going to put the chocolate in here. And while that's about to melt, I am going to pat dry the strawberries. So just take a napkin, just pat it dry because it really has to be dry. Alright guys, my chocolate is ready. It's melted. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Take the strawberry, put it there and dip it all the way. And bam, look at this guys, doesn't that look so good? Alright, so you can leave it out if you want, or you can put it in the fridge for a few minutes, for 30 minutes or so. And let this dry, and then I'll show you what to do next. Now I'm melting the pink candy. So this is how it looks like. You can leave it out, you don't have to put it in the fridge. And on the parchment paper, it comes off really easy. So make sure you guys put it on the parchment paper. Now I'm going to show you guys something else. I don't have any Ziploc bags. If you did have Ziploc bags, you just have to pour your white chocolate, or for me it's the pink one. Pour it in, just put a little hole at the end and squeeze it out. Because I don't have any Ziploc bags, I can't believe I don't have any at all. Don't worry, it's clean over here. I am going to this is a plastic wrap. I'm going to put a hole right here. And then pour this in. For the picnic, put a blanket, throw some of your favorite pillows, add some candles, rose petals. Just make it comfy and you're good to go. So to make the napkin, so fold it like a square and then fold it this way. And, oh yeah. So this side right here, match it to right there. That's how it is. And just put the ring on. And that's it. Or another way that you can do, open it up pinch it from the middle. Do that. Just put the ring on. You can do it like this as well if you want. It really just depends on you. On your left side goes the fork, right side the knife, and the spoon. Put both of the forks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To be honest, I was so lazy to record this part of the video last night. After making everything smelled so good. I just wanted to eat, and we had a great time, a romantic, great picnic dinner last night, and I hope you guys will do this as well. Enjoy each moment, each day with your loved one. Life is too short, guys. So enjoy it every day. Chicken Parmesan is one of the easiest things you can make. I used to make this in the beginning of our marriage a lot, and of course it's not really healthy. And if you have seen my previous videos, you know I'm trying to be on a health kick. I'm trying to lose weight. And last night I just didn't care. It was so good. I finished everything on my plate and I loved it. Just dim the lights, put a whole bunch of candles and music. And yeah, you guys are going to love it. It's going to be so beautiful. If you have rose petals, put some petals everywhere too. And put the kids to bed early, around 6:37. They'll be fine. Enjoy your time with your loved one, guys. And happy Valentine's Day.